It's a new 2025 Honda Accord Hybrid. This Accord Hybrid offers refined elegance, technology that keeps you comfortable, connected, and safe, and amazing fuel efficiency. Your friends will be green with envy. It comes with the features you need, and better yet, want. Streaming audio, Wi-Fi hotspot, front heated leather bucket seats, configurable instrument gauges, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual zone climate control, inline 4-cylinder engine, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and continuously variable automatic transmission. Every Honda is designed with the driver in mind. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
Welcome to your comfort zone. Honda of Tenafly. We're conveniently located minutes away from Route 4, Route 9W, and the Palisades Interstate Parkway.